Hello and welcome to the MAC weather page for this Thursday, September 28th. And the big overall headlines is going to be very comfortable air mass will be in place with temperatures in the 60s right on through the weekend. We warm up into the 70s early next week, and by the middle of next week, we could see our temperatures climb into the 80s. We do have a chance of precipitation here over the next 36 hours tonight into tomorrow. We could see maybe a trace amount to as much as a quarter of an inch. And there might even be a thunderstorm, and if you get one of those thunderstorms, you can certainly see more than a half an inch of rain. But overall, most places will be around a tenth to maybe 1500ths of an inch. But anything right now would certainly help these very dry soybeans. You can see temperatures out there this morning in the low 50s for the most part, and some upper 40s also around the area as well. So very comfortable air mass out there in place today. You can see the moisture deficit that we're experiencing only 25% of the normal rainfall so far for the month of September, and that follows a very dry July and August as well, and that's resulting in, you can see soybean moisture is down to about 9.8 for an average yesterday. So very dry conditions, so we need some of that rain if nothing else to put a little moisture back in the beans. On the weather map this morning, you can see our next system that'll be coming in for tonight will be a cold front with a low pressure system that'll move off to our north. But as that cold front approaches the area, it looks like a pretty good chance of some showers later on tonight and tomorrow. And again, don't be surprised if you see a tenth or 2/10 of an inch of rain and maybe even a thunderstorm across the area. And then for Friday, that system will move off to the east. Any showers in the morning will move out, and we'll see plenty of sunshine return for Sunday or Friday afternoon. And we'll see that sunshine continue right in through the weekend as high pressure system will dominate the area. Once that begins to move off to the east, we'll see our temperatures begin to moderate as we get into a southwest flow as we get into later on Sunday, and especially for early next week. If we look at the amount of precipitation here over the next 3 days, again, not a whole lot of precipitation out there, but much of central Michigan, south central lower Michigan could see 1 to 2/10 of an inch of rain. And again, some isolated pockets, if you get a thunderstorm, could see more than that. But for overall, this is not going to be a big rainmaker. But again, anything will certainly help the cause. And if we look at the extended outlook, it looks like plenty of warm weather will continue here over the next couple of weeks. And I don't think we'll say goodbye to the 80s just yet. I don't think we'll see anything around 90, but certainly some 80s will be possible here over the next couple of weeks. And with any bit of luck, we might see near to above normal precipitation. Again, the trend in the long term, as once we get closer and closer to the period, the heavier moisture has been continuing to be off to the northwest. Let's hope that's not the case this time, because we really do need the rainfall. And as far as the forecast goes, actually this is Thursday. We'll see highs in the mid to upper 60s. And again, those showers move in tonight into tomorrow morning before the sun returns. So let's hope we can get some beneficial rain out of that. 60s all weekend. As we get into early next week, we'll see our temperatures begin to warm into the low 70s. And again, possibly by next Wednesday, we might be up close to 80 degrees again. And again, I'm expecting about 500ths to a quarter of an inch possible across the area for tonight into tomorrow morning. And as far as weather watch goes, not a whole lot going on, just a chance of some rip currents and long current flows along the Great Lakes here in Lake Michigan. So it could be some dangerous swimming out there, waves about 4 to 7 feet as well. That's it for Weather Watch. Thanks for stopping by, and have yourself a great day, and 73s to all.